Today I am going to tell you a story, and the title of the story is A Singing Donkey. What is the title of the story?
A singing donkey.
There was a washerman. What was there?
Wasserman.
Was there a tailor?
No.
Was there a carpenter?
No.
Was there a washerman?
Yes.
There was a poor washerman. Was he rich?
No.
Was he poor?
Yes.
There was a poor washerman named Ramu. What was his name?
Ramu.
What was Ramu?
Wasserman.
He lived in Kalawad. Where did he live?
Kalawad.
Who lived in Kalawad?
Ramu.
He was 65. How old was he?
65.
Was he 35?
No.
Was he 65?
Yes.
He had a donkey. What did he have?
A donkey.
Did he have a monkey?
No.
Did he have a horse?
No.
Did he have a donkey?
Yes.
He had a donkey. One day, Ramu called Dinku. Who called Dinku? Ramu called Dinku and said, Dinku, I am so poor. I am so.
What?
I don't have enough food to feed you. I don't have enough food to feed you. But I have a solution. But I have a
Solution.
for your problem. For your
Problem.
what was Ramu's problem? He was poor. Ramu was.
What?
What was Dinku's problem? Hungry. He was hungry. Ramu said to Dinku, our neighbor Kanjibai, our neighbor
Kanjibai.
Our neighbor Kanjibai has a green farm. What did Kanjibai have? He had a green farm. You can go there. You can
Go there.
go there at midnight. When did he want to go there? At midnight. Where did he go? Where did he go? Green farm. Whose farm was it? Kanjibai's farm. It was Kanjibai's farm. Okay, master. I understood. Who spoke this? Dinku. Dinku said, I understand. I understood it. From that day, Dinku went to the green farm. From that day, Dinku went to the within 3 months. Within
3 months.
Dinku become strong. Dinku become.
Strong.
How long did it become strong? Did it become strong in 2 months?
No.
Did it become strong in 1 month?
No.
Did it become strong in 3 months?
Yes.
To see him, his friend Jekyll told to Dinku, Hey Dinku, what are you eating? Who was Dinku's friend? Jekyll was his friend. Dinku told everything. Jekyll said, I join you. I.
Join you.
From that day, both of them went to the green farm. From that day, both of them went to the.
Green farm.
Where did they go?
Green farm.
At green farm. When did they go? At midnight. Why did they go? For eating. One day, both of them went to the farm. When Dinku satisfied,
Satisfied.
he told to Jekyll, Jekyll, I feel singing. I feel.
Singing.
Who told this? Dinku. Because I am a great singer. Who was a great singer? Dinku was a great singer. And Dinku was stupid. And Dinku was.
Stupid.
Jekyll was intelligent. Jekyll was.
Intelligent.
Who was stupid?
Dinku.
Who was intelligent?
Jekyll.
Was Jekyll stupid?
No.
Was Jekyll intelligent?
Yes.
Was Dinku intelligent?
No.
Was Dinku stupid?
Yes.
Are you joking? No, my friend, I really feel singing. Don't you have sense? Don't sing here. Dinku said, No, no. What do you know about singing? I will definitely sing. I will definitely sing. Jekyll said, Okay, then please wait till I leave the farm. Please wait till I leave the farm. When Jekyll
Left.
Dinku started singing. Dinku started
Singing.
Dolida dol re wagad mare. Which song did Dinku sing? Did he sing Hindi song?
No.
Did he sing English song?
No.
Did he sing Garba?
Yes.
Immediately, Kanjibai became aware and awake. Immediately, Kanjibai became and he rushed. He
Rush.
towards the voice, towards the
Voice.
and he saw the donkey. And he saw the
Donkey.
what did he see? A donkey. And he became angry. And he became
Angry.
he hit him a lot. He hit him a
Lord.
with his stick. With his
Stick.
how much did he hit him? A lot. He hit him a lot. How long did he hit him?
Stick.
Till Dinku left. Till Dinku left the farm. When Dinku left the farm, Jekyll was